Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be going on a little bit of a Redbubble hunt. If you guys saw my last community post, you'll know what this is about, but if you haven't, today I'm going to be looking for all of the Redbubble artists that have copied my designs or username or profile picture, whatever I can find on Redbubble that they've copied from me. I'm looking for it, and yeah, I'm just gonna find them all on camera live for you guys and give my reaction. And also, I haven't done this in a while, so I feel like it's good housekeeping because I definitely want to keep up with reporting all these people. I don't want them profiting off of my designs that I spent time creating. So yeah, it'll be a fun video, and then it'll also be good for my own store. In case you guys didn't see my last video, I actually just launched a print-on-demand course of my very own, so I'm really excited about that. If you guys haven't had a chance to check that out, definitely make sure to do that. I'll leave the link to the course in my bio. It's on sale right now for the first 10 days of launch, so there's only one more week left. It ends on next Thursday, but right now it's only €19.92, which comes to about 23 US dollars. So make sure you grab that before the price goes up. Thank you so much to everyone who's already bought the course. I can't wait for you guys to go through it. Definitely send me messages when you start it. I want to know how you guys like it. And yeah, I think it's a really great course. I put a lot of information in it and things that you don't necessarily see in my YouTube videos. So it really goes into a lot more in-depth about the print-on-demand industry and how you can succeed in it. So if you want to start making money with print-on-demand and aren't quite sure where to start, then definitely be sure to check out my course. And one last thing before I get into this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I noticed the other day that my subscriber to non-subscriber viewer rate went down, so I think it's like only 25% of people that watch my videos are subscribed. So please subscribe if you watch my videos and enjoy them. It really helps support my channel and helps it grow. So don't just watch as a non-subscriber. Click that subscribe button. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. But that's all I have for the intro of this video, so let's get into what this video is about, and that is catching all of my Redbubble copycats. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop into my laptop and start searching. I haven't really done this before. A lot of times people either message me that they've seen copycats of my work, or my mom actually does this for me a lot because she doesn't want anyone copying me. So she'll actually search my name on Redbubble a lot and then send me whatever link she finds. So yeah, I think this is like maybe one of the first couple times that I'm actually like actively searching out these copycats. So we'll see how it goes. And just as a disclaimer, it's never good to copy anybody's work, not just me as a YouTuber, like even people that are lesser known and even other people on Redbubble that are doing well. Just create your own artwork. You can always take inspiration from other people, but copying is never the way to go. And your store will most likely get banned at some point in the future if you do that. Okay, so let's get into my Redbubble. Okay, so I'm on the Redbubble homepage here and I'm just gonna type in Alexander STR, which I already did the other day, but I didn't really look at it because I was like, wait, I should say that for a video. So let's see what we find. Okay, so these are all designs that have my tag, Alexander STR, which another thing is I don't know why people use my tag because it's not relevant to their artwork. So even if people are using my tags, I still report them because I mean, if you have like a random picture, that obviously has nothing to do with me. So I don't think that's okay. They're just using my name to get people to get to their store. So She the North, let's see this first one. So yeah, I'm guessing it's in the tags. Oh, I just saw these. Well, this one is mine and not by me. This one is by me, so we're gonna go on to that one next. It's kind of interesting how if you click one, more come up and you don't even have to try that hard to find these people. Okay, so yeah, in the all product tag, you can see they put Alexander STR in hopes of getting some of my traffic to their store. And this is considered tag spamming because obviously that shirt has nothing to do with me. So yeah, I'll put this one on the back burner to report. I'm just gonna report them all after off camera because it's gonna take too long, but it's good to know. So let's just go back here. Actually, let's just go to this one. So obviously that is a direct copy and they clearly couldn't even think of an original name to give this. Like they should have at least put ocean something. Like why would it say my name for an ocean picture? I feel like that just doesn't make sense. So clearly they were pretty lazy with it and just wanted to copy my name. This is similar to the other one that I reported the other day that I actually put in my community post, but it was by a different artist, so I guess people are literally just copying each other at this point. Surprisingly, they didn't copy all of my tags, which is interesting because a lot of times that people copy me, they just like copy and paste everything. But they did use my name, some similar tags, and then some like random tags like this one. But yeah, if you see at the bottom of the page, you can report the content right away like that, or you can go into copyright, which is the way I usually go, and do it there. I'll show you one example of reporting it because they actually changed how to report it from the last video that I made about people copying my art. They made it a lot easier to report, which I was so happy about because it was kind of annoying the old way where you had to actually email them. But now they just have a quick form on their website, and I'll show you guys that after. Okay, so I'll leave that tab open because I definitely want to report them. So yeah, there's 316 results, which is interesting because I don't have my Alexandra STR tag on many, if any, of my works, so all these people are not me. So I'm not going to report all these because I honestly don't have time to report like 316 results, but I'm just going to report the ones that are more like obviously trying to copy me, or obviously trying to use, oh, someone came to say hi, or obviously trying to use my name for getting sales. So right here, this one uses my name in the title. So once again, I don't know why they would do that because this has nothing to do with me, and it's just kind of silly to use my name as the only title. Yeah, here they use Alexandra STR trending again, and then Alexandra STR. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be reporting this one because they used it in their title, and I don't want people using my name like that. So as you can see here, we have the Alexandra STR Essential t-shirt. Oh, those are suggestions based off the other one. So let's see if there's any similar ones in here. Okay, nothing I can see yet. See, a lot of people have like, you know, ocean photography that is not mine, so go for it. You can use other ocean photography. There's probably like millions of ocean pictures out there, but yeah, just don't use mine. Okay, so here's another one. I'm pretty sure that's the same one as before. Just want to make sure. Yep. So the great thing about their copyright claims is that if you claim one link from an artist like this one, it will take down all the products with that design. So it's really easy. You only have to claim it once. Oh, here's another one that I missed actually. So this might be the other person that I reported the other day that I posted on my story because, or on my community post, because they have the same two images that I reported for the other one. And this is the second one, and even though this one is not my image, they used my name as the title, so I'm gonna go ahead and report them anyways. They didn't even like get the right sizing of this photo because it doesn't fit the blanket or the duvet cover properly, so I don't even know why they would post this because it's not gonna get sales. So yeah, once again in the tags, they used my name, and yeah, I'll leave that one up there so I can report it afterwards. Okay, oh, here's another one. Just when I thought we were done with my direct copies, I found another one. So I know this one is mine 100%. It is one of my cloud pictures. I can actually show you guys just quickly that like, it is mine for sure in case you guys are like, oh, it looks close, but not exactly. So let's explore my design. So this is my page. Okay, so there it is right here, pastel pink, purple, and blue sunset. And that is an exact copy. So yeah, they copied the exact title as well. Probably copied the same tags and description. Oh, different description. So they got a little bit creative on that one. And the tags, yeah, some of them are the same. Oh, this one actually went as far as to say Alexandra YouTube YouTuber. So they're changing it up a little bit with what tags they want to associate with me, but they still have all of, you know, my name and design. So yeah, these guys are going to get reported. Okay, so let's go back into the search and see what we find. So nothing that is looking too similar right now. But yeah, like I said, keep in mind all of these people are using my name as their tag, so definitely do not appreciate that. So So this might be it, which is pretty good because usually, you know, there are quite a few. Oh, here's another one, and this is by the same designer as the one that copied the clouds, so they decided to also copy the ocean one, which I don't blame them, it's my most popular one. So they called it Blue Ocean Waves 6. I'm not sure why, but at least they didn't use my name. Same description as last time, and a lot of the similar tags that I have as well. So yep, we'll report this one and that will get taken down. And Redbubble is actually super quick when it comes to taking down copied art. I think it takes like 24 hours at most, so they're really on top of it and I'm really happy about that. Alright, so nothing else I can see here. Just gonna quickly go through it. I mean, like, these are all pretty similar, but they're not mine, so, you know, go for it. Okay, hopefully that's it. We're almost at the end. This one looks similar, but I don't think it's the same. So, I mean, it's good to know that at least most people that show up in this Alexandra STR results aren't directly copying my work, just my username, which is still kind of annoying, but not as bad. Yeah, that's it that I can find there. So that's all I found for Alexandra STR, which is good, but then again, some people might copy my work and not tag me, which is obviously, you know, the smarter thing to do, but let me search Blue Ocean Waves and see if anything comes up besides the ones we already saw. Okay, so luckily mine is still the first result there. Okay, so there's 102,000 results for Blue Ocean Waves, so I'm definitely not gonna go through all of them, but I'll just go over the first couple of pages to see if there's anyone that jumps out. And I don't see anything right off the bat. That one looks similar, but I don't think it's mine. Let me just quickly, this one's tricky because it's not the full picture, so I'm not sure, but let me just go to my store. Where is it? Well, I guess I can actually just use these ones because, so I'm trying to see if like this area is the same. Oh, that's funny. Actually, this one where they copied it, they decided to put their own watermark on it so that people wouldn't copy them. Interesting. Okay, so let's see. Can you guys tell if this little area, I don't think that's the same. No, I think that one's different. Okay, so we can get out of this one here. Oh, this is actually another store that someone told me about. I can't remember if it was through my DMs or something, that someone was copying my blue and white Portuguese tile, so I reported them as well. So it's probably gone now. Let's see. Yep, it's gone, luckily, and that was like a day ago. So clearly they work fast. Let me try to type in my full name and see if there's a couple of people that use my full name in their tags, I guess, which, like I said, oh, and Ryan's name, so I guess I'm not the only one that's being used here for some search results. Yeah, I think that's all I can really search without going into like every specific design, which I could totally do that because something might come up, but let's actually just try the Portuguese one for fun. Oh, okay, good thing I looked at this because I just found another copycat. So clearly they are everywhere and there's no shortage of them. So let's see what I can find. And like I said, like, people are allowed to post their own, you know, version of this, but don't take my exact picture because obviously this isn't like a unique thing. It's just a photo of tiles, but yeah, you can't copy someone's a direct photo. Okay, let's just see the ones I got so far. So this one, 100% mine. I know mine has like the little, I can see like the little indent here. Where's mine? Mine's here. Let's see. Let me just directly compare. Yeah, like they just stretched mine out because the indents are here and tried to like flip it to make it seem like, or actually they cropped it so it looks like it's a slightly different picture because as you can see mine has like more tiles in the picture, so they just cropped like a little section of it, but it's clearly the same one, just stretched and cropped, so we're gonna go ahead and report this one. Okay, so it was just the one that had that one, so yeah, that wasn't too bad. So I might actually off camera look at some of my other popular designs in the search and see what I can find because there's probably a few more that I'm missing, but for now, I think I got a decent amount of the copycats, especially like the ones that are like, you know, overtly copying me. I want to get those ones down fastest, and I care more about those ones. So I think I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I got about 10 copycats that I'm going to report. So let's just report one on screen with you guys so you guys can see the new process that they have, and then that'll be the end of this video. Okay, so let's just report this one to start off. And I'm just gonna go in copyright infringement because I believe that's the right one. Yeah, so it takes you to this page, and before, I believe you had to send them an email with everything, but now it's this section right here, the notice and takedown procedure. So they say that Redbubble respects the intellectual property rights of others, and we ask users to do the same. So if you believe your content has been used in a way that constitutes as an infringement of your rights, please notify Redbubble's agents for complaints, blah, blah, blah. And so this is like the stuff that you needed to submit before by email, and like how you're supposed to do it. But now they've added this section here, unless it was there before and I just like totally missed it. It says please use the notice and takedown report form to submit your report. So all you have to do is click on that button, fill out your information, and then in this next section, after filling out your details, all you have to do is the URLs specifically identifying the seller listings you want removed. So let's go back to, where was that? Did I accidentally? Oh yeah, I went back. Almost, that one almost got away from being reported. Okay, so we're just gonna copy that link, and all you have to do is submit that link. And if stores have multiple copies of your work, just put multiple links in this section for the same store, because you only do one reporting for a store. And then description of the property that has been infringed. This artist took my original photography and used it as their own without consent. They also used my name in the, was it in the title for that one? Yeah, in the title of the art. Oh my gosh, I can't type on the, in the artwork and in the tags. Okay, so that's all you have to say. Like, you don't have to do a long paragraph about anything. You can always write additional information if you want, but I never do, and it's good enough to get them taken down. I think maybe for things that are not as obvious, you can add additional information, but when they're like blatantly copying you, I think it speaks for itself. So then the last thing you have to do is just click these two things, that you believe in good faith that the listing identified in the takedown notice does infringe on your rights or someone that you legally represent. So yes, that applies. And then under penalty of perjury, I own the rights claimed to have been infringed, or I'm legally authorized to act on their behalf. So yes, that is my original photography. So once you've done that, just hit submit, and that's all it takes. So yeah, they definitely made it easier to actually report people, luckily, and it takes like 30 seconds. So it's definitely worth checking every once in a while, especially if you do have a more popular Redbubble account, to make sure that nobody has copied your work. And if they did, then just go through this process and it'll get taken down. So yeah, clearly it's never a good idea to copy, and I hope you guys liked this video. I thought it'd be fun just to see what was out there, because I hadn't even looked that in depth for copies of my own work. So yeah, hope you guys liked it, and hopefully this somewhat stops people from copying, but you never know. I think people are always going to copy no matter what industry or business you're in. It's just kind of what happens when you gain some momentum or success in your own business. So I guess I can't be too mad about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun print-on-demand content coming your way. That's all I have for today. Once again, don't forget to check out my course in the description bar below. You only have one more week to get that amazing price. Otherwise, it's going up and you'll have to pay more for it if you decide that you want it in a week from now. But yeah, that's all I have for today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.